Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. So the last class we are working with strings based on index value. So I given one assignment, no, to count the number of vowels. How many of you done that? Raise your hands. So before that, somebody asked. Right. In yesterday's program, this one, we are retrieving the character. We are retrieving character by character based on index value that you grasped from here. The last program. Right. So finding the string length. Already you know the length method, no? I given somewhere, right? Okay. So the last index value is length minus 1. I said one statement to you. Okay, right. Somebody asked this. I'm repeating 5 minutes. Okay, right. Somebody can catch fastly. Somebody takes time. Right. Okay. So I is equal to 0. 0 less than or equal to some last index. Length minus 1 is the last index. Okay, right. I is equal to 0 means character at 0. This one. P value will come. That only new concept, right? Now, display that CH and I plus plus. You know the nodes of for loop, no? Already. First initialization, condition, then loop body, then increment and decrement. That concept you have to apply it. Whatever the nodes is there, you have to apply. Then I plus plus. Then it becomes 1, caret 1, I plus plus, caret 2, I plus plus, caret 3. It will be repeated. So until it reaches this length, that's the concept. Whenever we want to display reversely, I said, go with the last index value. That is, I is equal to length minus 1. So we are starting with 0. That only concept. Now, sorry. I is equal to length minus 1. We are starting with 6. So whenever you are starting with 6 here, I is equal to 6. 6 greater than or equal to 0. True. Character at 6. So some m will come. Print that m. This is I minus minus, no? Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. It stops by 0. So here I given information. You can move forward. You can move backward by using one for loop. That's the information I given. Anyway, you are taking character by character, no? When the character is coming out, check that character is vowel or not. That is the assignment. So from this, what you observed is, I can take character outside. So whenever I am taking character, I can check no whether it is vowel or not. That only assignment. Whether you grasped that point or not, I give an assignment as an extension. So anyway, caret method is supporting you to take a character by index value. Once the character comes out, you can check it whether it is vowel or not. That one right. So I'll conclude the program. See there, I am writing the program, whether it is vowel or not. So take one program, demo, string 6. Anyway, import java.util.scanner. Anyway, we are reading the string, no? Okay. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in yes dot close. Now system dot out dot print ln, enter the string. Now string str is equal to yes dot next line. So find the length. Str dot length. Why I am finding length means to move that loop here and there. Okay, right. Now I'll construct one for loop. End of loop. So imagine this program only now. Right? Okay. We have to start with 0 no. Anyway, you have to start with 0 and with 6. Same no. Right. Int I is equal to 0. I less than or equal to len minus 1 I plus plus. Now here a character. Char ch is equal to str dot char at of I. So first character came out. When the character came out now, we have to check that character is vowel or not. Right? Okay. A-E-I-O-U. Yesterday I observed somebody written A equal to CH equal to A. That format also correct only, right? I am passing to switch. I am passing to switch. End of switch. In that switch, I am comparing now. Case A. I am comparing with A. Case capital A means you may enter the string maybe uppercase or lowercase. Both are possible, no? Right. Okay. Now break. This is one comparison. Now, case AE. Case AE break. AE. AEIOU anyway. like this. So indirectly, I'm giving information. In switch, you can use character also. I'm giving information. So A, E, I, O, U, right? I must count it, no? Right. Now I'll take one variable count. I'll take one variable count. The count is assigned with 0. So now, whenever the character matches with A or this A, I'll increment the counter. Count plus plus. I'll increment. Observe this now. I'll increment the counter. Means wherever the match comes, I'll increment. The same way here match comes, I'll increment. Here the match comes, I'll increment. If it is a match comes here, I'll increment. Here it increments. Now, A, I, O, U, suppose program, first P will come. P is not matched with the cases, no? So count remains 0, yes or no? R not matched with cases, still count is equal to 0. Now O matches with the cases, no? Right. Which case now? It matches with this case. Of course, it compares this, it compares this. Of course, it becomes true. Here count plus plus. It becomes 1. Break, come out of switch and go for loop. Then again, G, R, when the A comes, automatically count increases. So finally, the count will be 2. After this loop has been completed, you can display. So system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln number of vowels is equal to count. So this is the program. I will run this program now. Program. So number of vowels is 2. Suppose Java language program. Vowels 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of count is coming or not now, right? Okay. So you can use switch case, or yesterday somebody used equal to, is equal to operator used. Nothing wrong, you can use it. Why is equal to operator is working on character? Is equal to operator will work on character because character comes under primitive data type. It is not non-primitive. Okay, right. So this is the solution. Right. All of you understood this? Okay, right. Now for today's class, right. So today's class is nothing but some logics will be depending upon ASCII values. ASCII, ASCII values. ASCII values means what? And ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, right. See there. I am taking one class now. demo ASC double I ASCII values. Some class name I am taking. Right. Here I am printing system.out.println. I am printing uppercase letters. Uppercase letters I am printing. Whenever I want to print uppercase letters, I must take in the form of ASCII value and I must display it actually like this. The uppercase letters starts from 65. Yes or no? Uppercase ASCII value starts from 65. I less than or equal to 90, I think. I plus plus. Okay, right. Now here, system.out.print some I value followed by one space. I am printing from 65 to 90. I am printing. So I printed ASCII values, imagine, right? Okay. Now this ASCII value should be converted. The ASCII value should be converted into character. Then the value will come. So I am converting into character. I am converting into character. Char CH is equal to, I am converting into char and I am converting. This is only typecast. Converting from one format to another format. I am converting. Now you have to print CH here. So I converted from integer to character. I am converting. Observe this. Right. Now display it. Alphabets will come. Came or not now? So alphabets are coming now. So what I done now? ASCII values are 65 to 90. Whenever I convert that ASCII value into character, alphabets will come. So somewhere you have to use this in the logics. Now the same way, print the lower cases. This is the conversion. I value 65 converted into character. So that ASCII value is coming. Sorry, converted into character, alphabet is coming. Okay, right. Now, system.out.println. System.out.println. Lowercase letters. Lowercase letters. Now lowercase letters starts from 97, I think. For end of loop. Int j is equal to some 97, I'll take it. J less than or equal to 122 or 120. I'll take 122 first. J plus plus. Here also same now. Char CH is equal to char of J. I am converting. Just I am showing to you. I am writing separately for conversion. I am doing. I am educating you. Okay, right. Now system.out.println. Here I'll not ln. Print CH and space. Here /n. So run it. Alphabets came now. Right. Now this is uppercase. This is lowercase. All of you observe this? Right. Okay. Now I want to print that ASCII values are from here actually. Right. Okay. Now here 0 to 9 also there are no numbers. Numbers also will have some ASCII values because Daily when you are pressing 9 means 9 is not coming and 9 is coming in the form of character actually. 9 will come in the form of character converted into ASCII transfers. As calls in intermediate, some intermediate in the middle, some transfers are available. So I am printing numbers. Now system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln. I am printing numbers. All numbers, numerics, nothing but you call it as numbers. Printing numbers. Now ASCII value for them will be from 47. End of loop. 47, it starts with I, J, K. I will take it. K is equal to some 47 or 48 will be there. K less than or equal to almost 56. 48 plus 48. 57. K plus plus. Again, you convert into number. Sorry, character. Because that is available in the form of characters only. Okay, right. Char CH is equal to char of K. Now, the system dot out dot print ln. Here print nothing but print CH. I'm printing. Let us see. Came now. The numbers. Other than these three, remaining all special symbols only, no? From your keyboard. Your logics depends upon them only. Your logics depends upon them. If you can make one logic normally, you can do. If you cannot make any logic normally, you have to take the support of ASCII values. Then the solution will come. So this one you have to by-head it. By-head it in the sense, range you have to by-head it. For interview, range 65 to 90 uppercase letter, 97 to 120, 122 I think. That is lowercase letters. Some 47 to some 48, 48 to 57, it is alphabets. Remaining you cannot remember. You cannot remember remaining. Just these things you have to remember it. Okay, right. Now, write it. ASCII values. You know ASCII values already. ASC double I, you write somewhere. American standard code for information interchange. Now 65 to 90 uppercase letters. 97 to 122 lowercase letters. Now 48 to 57 I think. 48 to 57 numbers. At least these things you have to remember it. Right. Have written? Right. Now, here that example program to see it. I took demo ASCII ASCII values dot Java. Here I kept some output. Okay. Now, take one assignment. Write a program to display the format. Display the format. Like your C teacher, I am giving an assignment to you. Capital A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. Don't work with characters here. Work with numerics, then convert into. There's a technique. Here I want to educate you. When you see this kind of format, you will try character. Error will come. Characters will give more errors. You must work with what now? Numeric. Numeric errors will not be there. So work with ASCII value. Print ASCII values. If it is printing correctly, convert into character. That is a technique you have to do. That idea I'm giving to you. Got it right? Take one more. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. A, B, C. A, B, A. Try this. This is lowercase, that is uppercase. Okay, right. Now, assignment 3. The two are for testing formats. That's all. You try once. Okay, right. Whatever your idea is getting, you try it out. Anyway. Now, yesterday's program extension now. Yesterday's program extension. Today I given solution on that one, right? Write a program to read a string and display the following. Display the following. Number of vowels. Number of consonants. You know the consonants, no? What is consonants? Other than vowels, you count it. Number of numerics. Numerics means numbers, my intention, number of numbers. Better the word is count of vowels, I think better. Count of vowels, count of consonants, count of numbers. Count of others. Others means what now? Other than these three, you have to display the count. Okay, right. Here also ASCII values only. Take the support of ASCII values. Here also the idea I'm giving ASCII values. It will be easy if you take it. But try it and you try it. Don't drop it, because your assignment is not about program writing. Assignment is about creating imagination. Means idea is coming or not. That is assignment. Sir, I got idea, not yet written, but I had an idea. That idea should be converted. Here, not about making a program and submitting. So whether you are generating the idea or not, that is important. Sir, I got one idea, I am trying it, error may come. If not, success may come. When error is coming, change your idea and try it. So like this, why we asked you to do the assignments? Nobody, no marks for assignment, no. Right? Still some people are trying to copy the materials. Sir, you give it, sir, we'll copy it. Actually, if that is there, old material, I can dump it. Nothing is there. For me, a number of batches are there, I can dump it. But even then, I'm writing now. So here, assignment is about your creating imagination. By your own, any one idea is coming or not. With the sources, somewhere one or two programs you written with that source, any one idea is coming or not, you are converting that idea into programmatical form or not, you have to take it. So in that process, some answer may come. Any one answer. Without error, one answer should come and error should not come. You rectify the errors, some answer should come. Maybe exact will come. If not, some other deviation will come. Deviation coming also no problem, because the program is running now. You must make your program to run. After making the program to run, output coming or not secondary, right? If output is not coming, maybe your imagination failed. So you make a changes in your idea so that some other answer may come. Understand? Like this, you have to trial it. You have to spend some time in the system. You have to spend some time. That only, right? That here, that program you tried. Assignment 3, you tried. Above assignment, if already any C based is there with you, any other attending C languages or so, anybody attending it, some easy flavor may you take it from there. Sir, up to now I not attended any C flavor, sir. Such concept I don't know, means you try it, I'll give the solution. The way I'll give it, how to start such things. When the formats are there, where to start, where to end it, I'll give an idea to you so that you can practice more. Right? Okay. If anybody has a C flavor practice, you try this. No, sir, I will try this also, means try it out. No problem. So this one everybody should do. Everybody should do assignment 3, because already counting vowels over now. Right? Remaining you can do it. ASCII value range I given to you. So using that, everybody should complete this. I am not asking to add the numbers. Toughest question that is. Already question is there in interview. Write a program to add the numbers available in the string. That is the actual question. What are the numbers available in the string? Bring that numbers outside and add it. That is the actual question. That is the actual question. First you have to find how many numbers are there now today. Then tomorrow you can add them. Tomorrow you can add them. Yesterday only you started index based retrieval. You started one caret method came. Today I am asking you to count more number with ASCII values. Some more idea I am giving. Maybe tomorrow or Monday I will give one more idea to you how to count the numerics. Counting numerics is a question to you in interview. Write a program to read a string and find the sum of numerics available in the string. Then you have to take that numerics and add it. Bit tougher only, because you have to convert character form will be there. Character you have to convert it again into integer form. From there you have to add it. So the transitions I'll say, because next chapter is there no wrapper class. When the chapter increases, scope will be increased. So wrapper classes are waiting for us. So wrapper classes will give more methods to you. Anyway, up to now, everybody should complete this assignment 3. Okay, right. Can I go forward? Right. Now, I'll go forward. Try this for today. If possible, tomorrow I'll give these assignment solutions to you. Okay, right. Now go for the next one. What is the next one now? String buffer. Because when number of components come inside, the scope of programming will be increased. So let us take the support of buffer also. If the buffer comes, it gives more scope. Because up to now, palindrome program I not given no. String palindrome is everybody knows question that. But you cannot do palindrome on string chapter. Because it is an immutable object, you cannot reverse. Can you reverse a string in Java? No, it cannot be reversed. Of course, you must do manually by using for loops, you must do. That work also I'll give an assignment. Actually, write a program to check the given string is palindrome or not using user-defined method. One question is there. Write a program to check a string is palindrome or not using loops. Second question is there. Using loops you can do now, but I'm not giving that question because still you don't have a grip on the loop. Only I'm increasing the grip on the loop. After that, I'll come back to that question. And moreover, using built-in method, you cannot do on string because string objects are immutable. Once created, cannot be modified. How can I reverse it, sir? You cannot reverse. So for that, I'm taking the next level. That is string buffer. Make a sliding. String buffer. Okay, look here. In Java, string objects are created using 3 classes available from java.lang package. Java.lang.string class, java.lang.string buffer, java.lang.string builder. Java.lang.string class objects are immutable objects. Once created, cannot be modified. Java.lang.string having 15 constructors from the library. These are the basic informations. For java.lang.string class, there are 2 syntaxes to create objects. One is string literal process. One is new operator process. You had a diagram on it. When you are making a string comparison, existing objects are not modified. For string comparison only, sorry. String concatenation. String concatenation means combining multiple strings into a single string. In the process of combining the multiple strings, existing objects are not modified. A new object is created. That point you have to grasp it. String comparison can be tried by the student or developer in 3 ways. Equals, compare to, and is equal to. Equals method generates Boolean result, true or false. Equals method is used in authentication process. Authentication process means user identities. Checking the username, checking the password, checking the PIN number like this. Wherever you want to check the identity, you go with this equals method. Compare to method generate int result. Compare to method especially used in sorting techniques. Generally, we never use that compare to method now only. Whenever in the future for us collection framework is there, data structure chapter, their sorting process is available to us. In that sorting process, we are going to use that compare to method. Is equal to operator compares the object references. Because of this reason, is equal to operator must not be used on non-primitive data type variable. It must be used on primitive data type variable. Yesterday somebody submitted assignment. I seen that. You used CH equal to A or CH equal to E like this. The answer came because character comes under primitive, is equal to operator will work on primitive. Same concept you can do for branch. Branch, some string branch is equal to CSE, you take it. Then you compare that branch equal to CSE, branch equal to triplet will not work because string is compares the references, mismatches will come. Understood that comparison will be failed. So is equal to operator will give a wrong results if you work on your non-primitive. That all I educated yesterday. Moreover, I shown with the diagram. There your concept of string has been ended. We started a few programs working on strings. It will be going only. Some programs we work here. Next coming chapter, wrapper classes. Some programs we keep it. After that, arrays will come. Some programs we add it. Collection will come. Some programs we add it. Like this, when the chapter increases, string will not leave it. String will be there with you. So from day one onwards, string is there. No, observe or not now. From day one onwards, string will be there. Throughout the course, string will come. In advanced Java, string will come. Wherever you go, string will be there with you. So we must work few more programs on strings. So I started now only. Slowly, I'll give more programs on strings because I know you can work with only single for loop. Up to now, I not given the nested loop also no. Right? Okay. That assignment depends upon the nested loop only, no? Right? I not yet introduced that. So I only will increase that programmatical level slowly and come. Beyond that, my syllabus also important, no? Today only Friday only. I cannot waste my session, no? So I am going for the next concept. Buffer notes will be given to you so that tomorrow Saturday I can spend more on your practical part. That's the point, right? So string buffer. So second category now, make it string buffer is a class from java.lang package. Java.lang package. And which generate mutable objects. Which generate mutable objects. Mutable objects. Opposite to immutable objects, we had mutable objects. Mutable objects means in bracket. Objects once created can be modified. Objects once created can be modified are known as mutable objects. Are known as mutable objects. Objects once created can be modified are known as mutable objects. So there are two types of objects to you. Mutable, immutable. Mutable means you can change it. Immutable means you cannot change it. So theory. The following are the constructors. The following are the constructors from string buffer class. The following are the constructors from string buffer class. So string class will have 15 constructors, but string buffer will have only 4 constructors. It will have only 4. See there. Java P, Java dot util dot string buffer. I had a class. Why util? Lang. Java dot lang dot string buffer. Okay. Here we had 4 constructors. The 4 constructors. Write that 4 constructors. Only 4 will be there. You must remember for interview also. String has 15 constructors. String buffer has only 4 constructors. Only 4 constructors. String buffer has only 4 constructors. Right. Now based on one constructor based on one constructor, we are making one object. So only one constructor is executed now while object creation. Right. Okay. Right. Look here. So based on one constructor, we are creating objects. Now I'll take case 1. I will take it. Case 1. Using constructor, string buffer, this one, without parameters, using string constructor. Using that, we can call syntax, make it string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. Now this is constructor call, yes or no? This is I am calling this constructor. I'm calling that constructor. Right. Now look here. So string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. So whenever I created string buffer, so this is string buffer anyway. one buffer object is created. One buffer object is created. This buffer object reference will be available on SB. Now this buffer object created with the capacity 16 and present length is 0. Buffer will be created with the capacity 16 means one memory created which is going to hold 16 characters. That's the meaning. Means that memory can hold 16 characters. That's called default capacity. How many characters are available in that object means no characters are available. That is 0. Length is 0. Now see there. Suppose I am creating the object. I am taking one class demo buffer1. I am taking. Here I am creating string buffer object. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer. This is one constructor call. This is constructor call. Now that buffer object is created like this with the capacity 16. So we are printing that capacity now here. So system.out.println default capacity. SB.capacity. One method is there. Now system.out.println length LENGTH length. Here SB dot length. I am printing length. The object created with the capacity 16. Understood this point? An example, I given 150 rupees to my friend, roughly I am speaking. I asked him to buy one notebook and come. He went to one bookstore and given 50. For this 50, I want one notebook. So they given one notebook to him. He brought it. I asked, what is the capacity of that book? Sorry, he said, some 100 pages is the capacity. How many pages you written? Sir, I not started. So length is 0. So characters not available. Length 0. But what is the capacity? It can hold 16 characters. That object can hold 16 characters. It's called capacity. Now let us add it. Now whenever I want to add to this buffer, one separate method is there. Append. I am introducing one method known as append. SB.append. Append means add it. So now I am adding Java. I am adding. So whenever I added Java here, so Java will be added here. So Java will be added. So whenever the Java is added here, the length becomes 4. The length becomes 4. Because I added Java, no, the length becomes 4. Now whenever I display the capacity still 16 only. But the length became 4 now. See that? System.out.println. I am printing the data now. I am printing the data available. SB.toString. I given information, no, toString method is used to display the content. Toostring method available in all the classes almost. Now here, system dot out dot print ln. I am printing the capacity. Here, sp dot capacity. Now here, system dot out dot print ln. I am printing the length, length, length. This is sp dot length. So the length becomes 4, but still capacity is 16. So now I am adding some language. I'll add it. sb dot append. I am adding language. 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 I am adding. I am adding the language. language. Buffer, no, it is a mutable object. Mutable means it can be added to the same object. So language added. Now after adding language, how many now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4. What is it? What is the length now? 14. Is 14. It became 14, no? Right, okay. 14 only? Okay. 12, no? Now it is 12. Now, after appending means adding in the last and daily, you are appending your notes, we say. Means, where you stopped yesterday, you started from there. That's called appending. Append English meaning that only. Add to the last where you stopped it. That's called append. Now, same display that. Same display that. Now, the length will be 12. Now, how many memories are available? How many characters you can load it now? 4, because capacity 4 is there. Still 4 is pending, right? Okay. Now, like this. I'll add program anyway. sp dot append program. I'll let it. So program how many now? 7. So 12 plus 7 means 19. 19 means crossing actually. 19 means crossing. So it is added like this. Java language it is crossing the capacity. So 3 letters it crosses. Yes or no? It crosses. Because total 19, no? Right? 7 plus 2 that 9 and the 10. Okay, 19 total. Sir, it has been crossed, no sir? Then how? You are inserting the capacity more. Now, error may come. If not, that 3 characters will be skipped. If not, other than these 2, let us see what happens. So see the output. Capacity increased. What is the capacity now? 34. Double the capacity, add 2. That's all I want to say. So initial capacity will be taken as a 16. After that, it only increases by its capacity by doubling the capacity and adding 2. Doubling the capacity means 16 plus 16. 32 plus 2. 34. That's the capacity. So here automatically the capacity increases. After doubling the capacity became 34. Means the memory increased internally. We do 34. Then here the characters are 19. 19 are available. That all I want to say. So the total information here is nothing but in this syntax, the string buffer object is created with default capacity 16 and the capacity increases dynamically at runtime by doubling the capacity and adding 2. Means next capacity will be 34 plus 34 plus 2. It will be 70. So next capacity will be there 70 plus 70 plus 2. Like this, it goes to unlimited to hold the data. Make a statement. So in this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity 16 and the capacity increases dynamically at runtime by doubling the capacity and adding 2. In this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity 16 and the capacity increases dynamically at runtime by doubling the capacity and adding 2. So initial 16 will come. After that it will become 16 plus 2. It becomes 34. After that it becomes 34 plus 34 plus 2. Then it becomes 70. And so on. It will be incrementing automatically. So when we add the data to buffer object, we take the support of append method. New method, no? Up to now you not yet seen append method generally. So we use append method. To add the data to the string buffer objects. We use append method to add the data to the string buffer objects. Now, here example program. Demo buffer1.java and some output. Like this. All of you understood this syntax now? Right. Now let us go for case 2. Case 2, here int is there. Using the constructor string buffer of int. String buffer of int. String buffer of int. Now, the syntax string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer string buffer of 4. I will take it. Roughly I am taking some number. Int no. Int means you can take some number there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 100,000, some number. Some integer number. Any integer number you can take it. I am taking roughly 4. Right. Sorry, if I take like this, what happened? See there. String buffer is important. For interview should play a role, buffer. And playing a role for multi-threading also, buffer. Shared components. Multiple users can share that component. Right. Sorry, if I write like this, what happened? So one object created. One object created with the capacity 4. So I given 4, no, it creates with the capacity 4. So suppose 0x111 is the object. Here capacity 4. Of course, length 0. Now the capacity will be 4. Means we are creating the buffer object based on the user choice. User means programmer choice. I can take the buffer size more than 16, less than 16, or any size. If I don't give any value there, it takes default capacity, that is 16. Suppose in the program now, demo buffer 2. Demo buffer 2. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of 4 I am taking. This is one constructor call. Now system.out.println, it is created with the default capacity 4. SB dot capacity. Now system.out.println length. SB dot. So the capacity is 4 now. Suppose I entered some SB dot NIT. SB dot append of some NIT. Sir, issue not there. Because capacity 4 and you are inserting 3 characters. Now system dot out dot println. Here SB dot toast. Now that NIT is added. NIT added and length 4. You understood? No? Anyway, if I add more than that now, SB dot append. Can you say the capacity now? What will be the capacity? Now HYD means 3, no? Only one character it can take it, no? It should be incremented now. So what will be the next capacity now? What will be the next capacity? Y10, 4 plus 4 plus 2. Same formula. Understood now? Capacity same formula only. Doubling the capacity, adding 2. Next capacity is how much? 22. Suppose already 6 is there, no? SB dot append language. Doubling the capacity and adding 2, no? You observe that? So that is one formula. This formula to be remembered, and for your multiple choice questions, they'll ask it. In a general practice, we use it generally in a practical. These all questions are for your interview only. What is the capacity? What is the length here? Like this question. So here I can take anything, means anything you can take. Take 4,000. Integer, no? Means it can hold 4,000 characters initially. After that it increments. 4,000 plus 4,000 plus 2. Very largest capacity, no? Right. Like this. The second syntax is user choice. We can decide the capacity of string buffer object to be generated. Make a statement like this. In this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity equal to the number passed as parameter. In this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity equal to the number passed as parameter while object creation. In this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity equal to the number passed as parameter while object creation. Remaining all same, and doubling the capacity, adding to remaining also. Example program. I took demo buffer2.java. Hope you understood second one. So go with case 3 now. Case 3, I am passing some string as parameter here. I am passing some string as parameter here. So while object creation, string buffer SB is equal to. Now string buffer of double quote sum NIT. I must pass one string as parameter. I am passing some string as parameter. Now, whenever I pass this string as parameter, see there. Sir, I am passing string as parameter. Here one object is created. Where the constructor will take the string and bind it. NIT, it binds. Because I am passing NIT, no, it takes NIT and bind it. Now here, capacity is equal to 19 will come. Why 19 means 16 plus length of string. The length of string you passed as no, right? In the place of NIT, you can pass any string. So the capacity will be 16 plus the length of string. Here I taken as 19. So length anyway, 0. Let us see whether it happens or not. After that, I'll write the notes. If you understand that, enough. Demo buffer 7. Sorry. 3. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of NIT. In the place of NIT, you can pass anything, no problem. Now system.out.println capacity, default capacity, SB dot capacity. Now system.out.println length, LENGTH, SB dot length. Length will be 0 or length will be 3. I forget it. Here length is not 0. How much will be there? 3. Because already characters are there, no? Length will be 3. Already data is there, no? You can display. System dot out dot println SB dot got the 19, no? Right. After that, you can add and come. You can add it and come. Suppose SB dot append Java language program. Java language program is 19, no? Yes or no? Right. So what is the capacity came first? What is the capacity available there? 19 capacity, among that 3 already filled. 16 is there, no? Right. Total how much now? This 19 plus that 3. 21. 21 means crossing, no? Right. 19 capacity is crossed. Why 40? 19 plus 19, how much? 38 plus 2. Same formula. So here capacity is generated equal to, generated equal to 16 plus length of string passed as a parameter. Make a statement. In this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity equal to the sum of 16 and length, length, length of string passed as parameter. In this syntax, the string buffer object is created with the capacity equal to the sum of 16 and length of string passed as a parameter. So 16 plus length of string passed as parameter. So theory remaining same anyway. Demo buffer3.java and output. Okay, right. Case 4 tomorrow. First 10 minutes or 15 minutes, case 4, right? After that, I'll write the solutions. So tomorrow's classes, I'll finish off case 4, first 15 minutes. After that, I'll give the solutions for that, right? And I'll give some more assignments. Take a break. So complete all these and come, run it and come once.